Today we're going to announce the winner of the X-Max giveaway and tell you about this month's giveaway going on now. Summer has just started, which means you're going to be going outside more and more. With these 3 speaker kits, you can save money and make a portable speaker that rivals many other expensive high-end models. Do it yourself and save. Dayton Audio has built a legacy of great sounding yet affordable home speakers. From the long-praised B652 bookshelf speakers to the clarity and depth of the AIR line, Dayton Audio makes you rethink what your speakers are capable of. Click the link in the description to learn more about why these speakers sound so good. And now that you know how good the B652 and AIR line speakers sound, you can save money and pair them with the HTA 100BT. An amplifier that replicates the warm sound of classic tube preamps matched with the always popular Dayton Audio tower speakers is an offer you shouldn't refuse. Last month, our contest allowed 2 winners to receive the MaxX 15-inch subwoofer, and now I can tell you who those winners are. Ryan G. from New Braunfels, Texas, and Michael K. from Ravenna, New York. Congratulations, both of you. We'll be in touch soon. This month, we looked out the window and thought, who wouldn't love some great sounding outdoor speakers? So you could win a pair of 8-inch indoor or outdoor 2-way speakers with bass radiators in either white or black, and a 180-watt DB8 outdoor burial subwoofer, all from Dayton Audio. Thank you, Dayton Audio, for the giveaways, and good luck to everyone who enters. We'll see you next month.